mom and son, and today we are making a mug brownie. So Ayan, let's get started.
Yeah.
First we will add 3 tablespoons maida. Now we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. Now we will add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. Now we will add a pinch of vanilla powder. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Now mix it well. Ayan, do you like a mug brownie?
Yeah.
Oh.
First, do you love brownies?
Yeah, I love them. I'm just waiting to eat this one. And let's see how it comes out. Now we will add the wet ingredients. Let's add Now let's add 3 tablespoons milk. Now let's add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Now mix it well. Sprinkle some choco chips on top. Now let's bake it for 2 minutes. Now look, only 17 seconds left. Now we can take our mug brownie out and let's see how yummy it is. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and you can also share it on Twitter or Facebook.
Bye.
Bye.